Hi, my name is Alexander and I'm a rising junior at Menlo Atherton High School. My 3D printed robotic hand is now complete, as you can see. Basically, when I bend the glove, or the fingers on the glove, then it bends here. For now, I'm going to unplug it so it doesn't annoy me for the rest of the video. Basically, what I've done since my last milestone is connected all these servos inside of here to these wires and to the main circuit that I made in my second milestone. Some troubles I had while doing this were basically because I can't actually tell which servo is which out of these wires because they all come through one hole, so I had to just do a lot of testing in there. And also some of the values in the code needed retuning because all the flex sensors have different sensitivities, so if I bend one finger just like that, the finger on the hand might go all the way down, and I need to kind of work that out for the final project, which I did. Some things I plan to do next are modifications, obviously, such as making this wireless, so this arm and all the servos can be separate from this glove and all the circuits, so you don't have to sit right next to the hand. Also making it be able to move more with like an elbow or a rotation joint, because as you can see now, it's just completely solid and only the fingers can move. And finally, I was planning to make it so that you don't even need a glove. You can just have like a camera or something and like move your hand, and the hand will move with it. But for now, I've achieved my main goal of the project that I set out to build. Thank you.